If I could show you how to earn a 50% return on your money in 30 days, does that sound like something you might be interested in? Hello and thanks for listening. Here's how it works. It costs $140 to get in. It'll never cost you more out of pocket than that original $140. You put in the $140 and find 3 people within a 30-day time period who'd like to make 50% on their money. For that, you'll receive a check for $220, more than a 50% return. Now, you could take your $220 and put the money in your pocket and be done with it, or you could pocket the 50% profit and put the original $140 back in again the next calendar month. Here's what had happened with everyone putting their $140 back in. The second month, you'd receive a check for over $300. The third month, your return would be $600, over 400% on your money. And remember, you're not putting any new money or more people into this. You get your original $140 back each month and just keep recycling it. No new money at risk. I love that. I know what your next question is going to be. That's pretty exciting. But can I put in another $140, find 3 more people who want to earn 50% on their money and make twice as much? Yes and no. You can find 3 more people who'd like to make that 50% or better on their money and repeat what you've done with the first 3, but you don't have to put in another $140. This could actually end up earning you and those you share it with literally thousands of dollars each and every month. Here are the rules. $140 is all you can put in. You have to find 3 people in 30 calendar days who want to earn 50% on their $140 by finding 3 people. The next month, you put the 50% profit in your pocket and reinvest your original $140 and earn 100% on it the next month and 400% on it the third month. The company paying out the money has been in business over 10 years and has paid these checks to literally thousands and thousands of people. It is 100% legal, and fortunes are going to be made. How many people can you think of that like to earn a 50% return on their money in 30 days? Remember, this company's been paying out huge checks using this plan for years, literally millions of dollars. Now, we're talking about monthly cycles here. Make 50% plus on your $140 the first month, $300 plus your second, and $600 your third. Or are we? If you find 3 people your first day, help them each find 3 the second day, and then each of those get 3 the third day, you're in line for a $1,100 plus check by the end of your third day. And who says people only know 3 people? If everyone would get 6, who each got 6, get the idea? That would have you at over $5,000 in earnings at the end of your third day. Plus, if everyone puts their original $140 in again, the next month it happens all over again. Hey, I want to thank you so much for listening. We have a very exciting program here that's going to make a lot of people a lot of money, and that's what we need in today's economy. So please get back with the person that thought enough of you to introduce you to this call and get started today.